Hey everybody, Drake here. Welcome once again to the bedroom. I'm up here playing with radio stuff. I built something earlier that was supposed to be an aircraft band receiver, but it didn't really pick up anything at all. So I'll have to go back to the drawing board on that. But figured I'd play with some other stuff. I do have something here in the shortwave radio. This is actually coming from, I'm pretty sure this is American. Now, I'm not going to knock anybody on religion. I'm not a religious person myself. I just found this interesting that, I mean, this is definitely Americans. So if this is actually coming from America, that's pretty good. I'm just using that for an antenna right now. Typically use long antennas. And there's multi-taps in this coil that's inside this radio. I don't know why my camera does that all the time. But yeah, not bad. I just figured I'd put that on there really quick. I thought that was interesting. I mean, I wouldn't think this is coming anywhere from my neck of the woods. We don't have American religious radio stations anywhere in this area that I know about, so this is definitely coming from America. Not bad. For a nothing antenna on just a earth ground. So, yeah, figured I'd just share that really quick, guys. My other radio was kind of a fail, so unfortunately, yeah, figured I'd just put this on here. So anyway, cheers, guys.